Because they assume positive effect on tissue healing, ASC sheets have been tested in many disease models, such as myocardial infarction. This experiment showed that ASC sheet can be used intra-abdominally and applied to intestine.
The main advantage of ASC sheets is that no synthetic materials are needed. In addition, ASC sheet transplantation is relatively easy to perform with only a small amount of practice. This novel application of ASC sheet transplantation was developed to prevent leakage after bowel resection and offers a first step towards a new therapeutic strategy.
ASC sheets applied to intestinal anastomoses have been shown to be promising in preventing leakage. ASC sheets may also be applied to other intra-abdominal organs, such as the urinary tract.
Begin by dissecting human subcutaneous abdominal adipose tissue into 0.5 centimeter pieces with a size 10 sterile surgical blade, Adson-Brown tissue forceps, and Metzenbaum scissors. Weigh the total amount of dissected tissue in a sterile glass bottle. Add 30 milliliters of isolation medium per bottle and digest the dissected adipose tissue in a shaker incubator at 150 RPM and 37 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After an hour,